What's up, Fit Squad? This is Brad, aka Q50, coming to you with another quick video. And today we're getting one of the first mods done to the Q. So we're gonna go ahead and head on over to Speedzone. This time we're going to the Kissimmee location instead of Orlando, and we're going to be getting the exhaust installed. So go ahead and do it. The exhaust was in stock, so the shipment to Speedzone was actually pretty quick, so didn't have to wait too long. So we'll go ahead and jump into that and head on over there now. I'm gonna go ahead and do the before and after. So I'm gonna shoot the before way before we get there, of course. The after, I'll line it up right after, so it won't be too much. Do apologize for the construction noises. Hopefully that doesn't mess with anything, but this is going to be a cold start. All right, made it to Speedzone. It's pretty dope. Got a Type R, pretty clean, looking good. But here we are. I believe Gianni's about to take it around the back. I haven't seen. Drove all the way from Canada. That's wild. Very clean though. Let's go. Always good to come back here and check these out too. But there she is. Get a little bit here, I ain't gonna stay in your way. But looking pretty good. Gotcha. Yeah, I feel you there. All right, so it was done pretty quick. Feel like it wasn't even 45 minutes, and we done. Got the Invidia cat back. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, still have quite a bit of work to do. I can get the lower down pipes, the intakes. Definitely gonna get it tuned. We're doing all that, but the bags will be in before I start doing that, and then we'll kind of jump into those. Much better. Still need those down pipes. Alright. Looking good. And we got the old stock exhaust in the back seat. But yeah, she's looking good. Let me know what you guys think. Still have work to do, like I said, but she's definitely getting there. Guess I need to order that paint for the brake calipers too. Yeah, sounds good. I don't have the mic facing the car, so we couldn't really get it there, but we'll get some sound clips soon. Let's see what it sounds like from the inside. I'm gonna have to get some GoPro footage here soon, so I'll go ahead and do that. Sounds pretty good. Not having any drone, so that's pretty good too.
Days later.
I think Gianni's playing it a little bit safe when it came to doing the revving after the cold start. It's been on for a little bit, so I'll do a cold start for today and I'll do a few more revs. I was doing 5,000 RPMs before, so I'm gonna do that for the after as well. So let's check it out. Alright, so it does still have some work that needs to be done. I'm going to be getting some lower down pipes and a few other things to kind of make it sound how I would like. But for now, that should get the job done. Definitely sounds better than stock in my opinion. But yeah, I went with Invidia. I didn't want anything obnoxious. Here goes the stock. So definitely hold on to that for the future, but for now, that's what we sound like. I'll do some more in-car sounds and footage and stuff in some later videos. Traffic was really crazy when I did the in-car shots. Right until that point, there was no traffic, but as soon as I put the camera down, I put it down because it was traffic. So yeah, but that's pretty much gonna do it for this one. I do like it here. Definitely shout out to homie Gianni over at Speedzone and them. And Matt was the one who installed it. Speedzone Kissimmee. Did it really quick and a great job. So definitely shout out to them. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. But before we end it, I want to go ahead and do the comment of the day. And the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and have a good one. Peace.